Hello guys, in this video I'll show how you can play multiplayer in Geometry Dash. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, you need to install a few mods. You need to install geode and then you need to install globe. I will leave the video in the description below to show you step by step how you can do that. And once you have globe and geode installed, then you can press on globe here and then you will be in the global server, or you can create a room to play basically to your friends if you want to, or you can join specific room. And once you're here, then what you need to do here is to just play a game, as you can see here, and now you can compete with others in a multiplayer. If we go on players, we can see that there is a player and I can compete with them. So yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to video in the video description below showing you step by step how you can install especially Globed, because currently Globed is not working in a geode version, so we need to do some workarounds. So install geode and Globed, and then you will able to play a multiplayer, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.